It's not an iron 6. If you miss it, you're going to buy it, right?
You can't do that to me, Philip.
Just hit right in the middle.
And just hit.
Just hit it in the middle.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's it.
I would have hit it harder than that. Come on.
Philip, how are you?
Hi, good. How,
Philip.
Matt?
All right.
Hi, Shane. Welcome to BMW Spartanburg. We're happy to have you. We're going to give you a great tour today. We'll show you all the shops we have, body, paint, assembly, and we're going to have a fun event at the end for you. Everybody's excited to meet you guys, and we'll show you how to produce great cars. Let's
go.
Have a look at paint shop first. This car, this body, has gone through a big swimming pool, very long, big swimming pool. This is when it gets ready, then you can have any color you want after that. Nail polish or whatever your favorite color is. We've had all kinds of requests.
It's like a pink one. He'd like a pink.
Bright pink.
Like a pink X5.
A bright pink, yeah. A bright pink.
Bright and
X5.
pink?
Bright
Oh,
pink.
sure.
Baby pink.
Every day, this shop produces about 800
Wow.
plus cars, and the other shop's about to do the same. So we're putting out about a good 1,500 cars a day.
So
Enjoy
Philip,
in the future.
which one can I take home today? No.
Well,
I'm
you're
kidding.
gonna choose your car and sign it now. This is what it is. So it's not an iron 6. If you miss it, you're gonna buy it, right?
You can't do that to me, Philip.
Just hit right in the middle.
And just hit.
Just hit it in the middle.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
That's
There
it.
you go.
There you go.
I would have hit it harder than that. Come on.
Well, you try over there if you want.
A little harder. Go.
Okay, don't miss it. Oh
Yeah,
my
yeah,
God.
yeah, yeah.
Done with it. That's it.
Looks like we got a putting challenge, Shane. So first one to make it wins, and I think I'll go first this time. Oh, that's got a chance.
Left.
Go. Go. Oh.
Sorry.
Oh, that's a good line. It's a really good line. Oh, no. Oh, you hate to see it.
Oh. Fitzy. Oh, no. Oh. Oh.
Rob.
Sneaks left. I'm not good.
Does. There's a bit more right to left in it. They should really rebalance this floor here, probably.
Oh.
Oh, that was almost an automatic out, I think. Good speed.
It's not bad.
I wish my speed was that good. Yeah.
You just, it is quite slow, so you have to hit it hard.
I think
Oh, this is good. Oh, no. Oh, went
What
went
was
right.
that?
Yeah. Whoever BMW paid to do this tiling, it's not very level.
Yeah, they should have a word. I'd ask for your money back. Oh, hello. Oh, Shane. Shane. Shane!
Yeah.
Well done,
I
Shane.
did not expect to beat Matt Fitzpatrick in a putting challenge. Stats would say he's a better putter
I don't
than
know,
me,
from 60
but,
feet, it's all luck.
yeah,
so,
exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
What is this victory rank in your career?
I think it's above the Open Championship that he won.
Definitely,
I think it's above that.
Just behind it,
That's just
behind
me.
it. Yeah, just behind it.
Thanks, Shane. Cut.